What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Patrick Buzz from Brawl Stars. Now I want to begin today's lesson in a separate page and draw a large curve across the top of the sunglasses. So we'll start on the left side. We're going to bend this up in the middle. It's going to gradually round this out and come down towards the right. Now let's move to the center, step down, draw a short line going across to separate the glasses. Now I want to connect the outside to that inside point on the left with a curve. So we're going to come down almost like a half oval, round this out, and then just pull that up. Now I want to do the same thing on the right side, but we want to come down towards the same height. So we come down and out, round at the bottom, and then go back up. Now inside the glasses, there's this wave that goes across. So let's start on the left and bend this up, then come down. And move over towards the right side. I want to bend this up towards the top. Let's trace that same shape along the bottom. So we're going to step down, again going up and then down, and curve this up towards the right. In between the glasses along the bottom, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the top of the head. So on the left side, bend this up and in towards the middle. Let's round this out and then bend this down on the right side. Let's place two thick eyebrows along the top. So we're going to start on the left side, angle this up and in, move over, come down and out towards the bottom. Now I want to round out the top and bottom of the eyebrows. Just drawing a bracket. And I'll close off the top. And I'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now let's move back to the center, step down and draw the top edge of the shell. We're going to start on the left side, bend this up and then down. Let's come down the side with a short line. Now there's 4 bumps along the bottom of the shell. So we're going to start with the left side, come out in an angle, round at the bottom and just pull that up. Let's do the same thing on the right, going out, around and then up. Let's add 2 smaller bumps along the inside and the center. Let's separate the bottom of the shell with 3 curves. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw a rectangle going across and then we'll close off the bottom. Now with the shell in place, we're going to place the necklace in behind. So let's start on the left side, bend this down and in. I want to create a little bit of an overlap along the outside. Let's round out the outside. Just pulling that back in. And we'll trace that same curve coming back in towards the shell. Now I'm going to draw that pineapple shell on top of the body on the left, and we'll extend the arm out on the right. So let's start with the right arm. Start from the bottom of the necklace, bend this out, and then down. Let's round out the hand, pull the arm coming down and in towards the body. Now right here, we're just going to add a fold. Come in and then up. Now the shield is like a half oval with a point along the top. So we're just going to line up with the shell all the way over toward the left. Just going to bend this in and then down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw on the left side, going around and then down. Let's close out the bottom with a curve. Let's add some detail inside, starting along the top with a circle. Now we'll add a smaller circle in the center. Let's go over towards the bottom right, add a small circle, then add an even smaller circle in the center. Let's add a curve along the bottom, starting on the left, going all the way around, across and then down. And then we want to trace this along the inside. Now in this area, we draw another circle, trace that along the center, And then on 4 sides, we're going to add a little knob going around. Add a half circle on either side. And we're going to place those leaves along the top. Let's start on the right side, bend this around and then up. And I'm going to bend this in and then down to create a fold. And I'm going to add these layers going up and then back down towards the left. So we're going to start from this point, step down, and this up, curve this back down. Let's add another one, going up, go all the way around, and then back in. Now I want to add 2 more on this side. And then one last one. I'm just going to pull this right in towards the side of the shield. Now inside the body of the shield, we're going to add that pineapple pattern. Starting from the top, angle this down in behind that circle, continue across the bottom. Now you're going to leave a gap, continue to add these angled lines coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now from the bottom left, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Now with the shield in place, we're just going to close off the top of the arm with that gap. Just going to close this off. Let's go to the bottom of the right arm. Just going to curve the body, coming across, underneath the shell, and then out in behind. From the center of the body, let's step all the way down. Draw a short line going across to separate the legs. Draw a short angled line coming down and out. Now on the left side, I'm just going to curve this out and then up in behind the shield. Go to the right side, going out towards the side of the body, to right about there. Connect the hip to the bottom of the shorts with a curve. Let's tuck the legs in underneath. We're going to start on the left side, come down, round up the leg, and then pull that up on the inside. I want to leave a little overlap. Step over, do the same thing on the right side. Let's add some spots across the body. Now we're going to add 2 large flowers inside the shorts. Let's start on the left side, underneath the shield. Curve the bottom, coming around and up. And I want to round up the inside, add that second leaf going up towards the top edge of the shorts. Let's do the same thing over on the right, pointing up. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Patrick Buzz from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. What's up everyone, and welcome to our club memberships. Are you ready to take your art skills to the next level? Well, I've got something special just for you. Introducing our channel membership, starting at only $1 per month. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you'll get exclusive access to a world of bonus features and perks that will enhance your journey with me. As a member, you'll be treated to brand new weekly tutorials that are available only to our valued members. Want to learn the latest techniques and dive deeper into the topics I cover? This is your chance. You'll also gain access to our member-only community feed where you can connect with fellow members, share your progress, and participate in exclusive polls. Your voice matters, and I want to hear from you. And let's talk about the perks. You'll receive a set of custom chat emojis to use during our live streams and premieres, adding a personal touch to your interactions with me. Plus, you'll proudly showcase your support with special member badges that highlight your dedication. As a member, you'll get access to future perks I roll out. I'm constantly working behind the scenes to bring you even more exclusive content, surprises, and experiences. So join our channel membership today and become a part of our exclusive community. For just $1 per month, you'll unlock a world of premium content, engagement, and fun. Click that join button now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.